Model 8. Look as with me about question number 1. Choose correct answer. 5 divided by 3 over 4 equal space. Write 5 and convert from division to multiplication. Write reciprocal about 3 over 4. It will be 4 over 3. And then 4 times 5 equal 20. 20 over 3. You can convert simple to mixed number. 3 times 6 equal 18 and the remainder 2. 20 divided by 3 equals 6 because 3 times 6 equal 18. 18 plus 2 equal 20. Then the result will be 6 and 2 over 3. Letter C about question number 1. Number 2, the surface area of rectangular prism equal space. Surface area of rectangular prism equal to product by length times width plus width times height plus height product by width. This is surface area of rectangular prism. You can choose letter C by using distributed. No, don't choose letter C, choose letter D. The result will be letter D about question number 2. Okay, it's the rule. Question number 3, 25% of a number equal 120. Then the number equal space. You want to find the whole number. You can draw this triangle and divide its 3 parts. Right here the percentage was 25 and the part up, this part was 120, and you want to find the whole number. To find the whole number you can write the 120 divided by 25%. Write the part divided by the percent. Then the whole number will be 120 divided by 25%, it's meaning fourth. 25%, it's meaning 25 over 100, it's meaning 1 over 4. And then the whole number will be 120 product by reciprocal about 1 over 4, it will be 4. 4 product by 1 over 120, right, what? 0 times 4 equals 0, 2 times 4 equals 8, 1 times 4 equals 4. Then the number will be 480. Choose letter C. Next question. Number 4. The image of the point by reflection across x-axis. We have the point -2 and -5, and we want to find the image by using translation here, reflection across x-axis. We must put x and change the sign of y. Okay, then the result will be -2 and 5. -2 and 5 is choose letter A about this question number 4. Question number 5. The unit rate of the opposite diagram, we can write 250 divided by 5. We want to find the unit rate. We know unit rate comparing between two different quantities and the numerator will be equal 1. We have 250 kilometer per 5 hours. Then we can simplify it divided by 5 numerator and denominator. Then the result will be 25 divided by 5 equal 5, and then write 0 here. Then we have 50 kilometer per 1 hour. Then the unit rate will be what? 50 kilometer per 1 hour. 50 kilometer per hour. Choose letter P. The result here will be letter P. Question number 5. Choose letter P. Okay, understood? Question number 6. comparing between 65% of 44. 65%, it's meaning 65 over 100 of its meaning product 44, or 44%, it's meaning 44 over 100 of 65. We will write equality because 44 times 65 is equivalent 65 times 44. We can replace two numbers. Then we must write equal to. Choose letter C. The area of trapezium here, it will be what? We can divide this trapezium to parts and find the area of this part. At the left we have here triangle. Find the area of this triangle and area of rectangle and add them. We can count here 3 units and the height was 4 units, and here 4 units, and the base 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have here square. We have square and triangle. We can write the area of this triangle, half times the base times the height, plus the area of square side by side. Then 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 plus 6 equals 22. Then the result will be 22 units, square units. So the result will be 6 plus 12 equals 22. Where 22 here? 7. Can you tell me the result? 22. We can write 28 subtract by 6. He solves this example by another method. Okay, choose letter A. How he solves example? Okay, he solves example by draw rectangle. Here, complete this figure. 4 plus 3 equals 7. He finds the area of rectangle, length 7 and width 4. 7 times 4. Subtract the area of what? We have rectangle. We can cancel the area of this triangle to get the result here. Okay, he solves the example by another method. How? He complete this side length and perpendicular this side length here, and find the area of rectangle 4 times 7 and cancel the area of this triangle from it. Okay, cancel the area of this triangle, half times base times height. Then the result will be 28 subtract by 6. Choose letter A. Okay, you can solve this example by any method, such as that divided this triangle. Okay, and rectangle and find the area 1, area 2 and add them. Or you can solve the example by completed this draw about rectangle and cancel the area of triangle from it. You can get the result 28 subtract by 6. Okay, you can find the area of this trapezium by the rule. We have the rule to find the area of trapezium. You can write half the sum of two bases 4 and this base was 7, product by the height. It's the rule to find the area of trapezium. Half sum of two bases, product by height. Half product by 7 plus 4 11, product by 4. Half of 4 2 2 times 11 equal 22. So we have 3 methods to solve the example. You have 3 methods to find the area of trapezium. Okay, as you like about any method, you must choose letter A. Next example, complete. Write the ratio between 240 to 300. We can simplify it by divided by 10. 24 to 30, and then we can simplify it by divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 equal 4, and 30 divided by 6 equal 5. Then the ratio in the simplest form will be 4 to 5. Next question. Number 2, the point 2 and 0 lies on this axis, where 2 and 0 lies in x-axis. We have here this point, the order of it, 2 and 0 lies in x-axis. Lies in x-axis, okay? Right in the space x-axis. We have x and y. If y equals 0, this coordinate 0, then the point lies in x-axis, and the image of this point at x-axis, it will be itself. Okay. If you want to find point 0 and 2 lies where, I will write lies in y-axis, because x was 0. Next question. The price of TV is 18,000 Egyptian lira. Then 1% of its price equal what? 1%, it's meaning 1 over 100. Product by 18,000. We can cancel double 0 by double 0. Then the result will be 100 Egyptian lira. Then the discount will be 180. Question number 4. The volume of cuboid, if all dimensions are equal and each one equal 15 centimeters, is what? We can find the volume of cuboid here. The volume of cuboid, it will be side by side by side, because all sides are equal lengths. Then the cuboid convert to cube because all sides are equal lengths. Then the volume, it will be s power 3 because all dimensions are equal. We can write the volume equal 15 by 15 by 15. It's the volume of cube. 15 times 15, 225, product by 15. 5 times 5, 25, 5 and the carry up 2, 2 times 5 equal 10, plus 2, 12, 2 and the carry up 1, 2 times 5, 10, plus 1 equal 11, plus and write 0, 5, 2 and 2, and then eat them. We have 3,375 cubic centimeter. It's the volume of cube because all dimensions are equal. The point 0 and negative 4 is the image of itself by reflection space axis. He asked about reflection itself. The point 0 and negative 4, the reflection was itself. We have the point x and y, and the image here x and y. We put x here and y cancelled. No, y it likes itself. It's the rule of what we have x and y. The image will be what? Will be negative x and y. Look at here, y constant. It's reflection of y-axis. Okay, this reflection of y-axis, because the rule of reflection of any point at y-axis, we must put y and change the sign of x. We know 0 non-positive and non-negative. Then 0 product by negative 1, it will be itself, and negative 4 constant. Okay, then this point 0 negative 4, the image will be itself if we found the reflection at y-axis. Y-axis, you must write here in the space y. Understood? Because y was negative 4 here. Okay, the result 0 negative 4. Look at here, 0 negative 4 here in this y-axis, in this vertical. The image will be itself we found the image of y-axis, this y-axis, because the point lies in y dash, then this point lies in y-axis. The image of y-axis, it will be itself, because its point lies in y-axis. The area of triangle equal half times base times corresponding height. We have the base here 5 and corresponding height was 4.8. Then the area half product by 5 product by 4.8. Half of 4.8 will be 2.4. Then 4 times 5 equal 20, 0 and carry up 2. 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 plus 2 equal 12. Then the area will be 12 square centimeter, area of triangle, half times base times corresponding height. Question number 8. Space product by 2/7, it will be 4/21. We know 2 times 2 equal 4 and 3 times 7 equal 21. So you must write 2/3 here. Choose the correct answer, number 3. 1. We have x plus 1 over 4 equal 25%. 25%, it's meaning 25 over 100. 25 over 100, you can simplify it by divided by 25 numerator and denominator. 25 divided itself 1. 100 divided 25, 4. Then x plus 1 over 4 equal 1 over 4. Then x here will be 0, because 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then the value of x equals 0. Okay. Choose letter D. Next question, number 2. If the ratio between E and B is 1 and 4, and the sum of E and B is 25, then B equal space. Question number 2 gives the ratio E and B and E plus B. The ratio between E and B was 1 and 4. Then the sum of them will be 5. 1 plus 4, it will be what? It will be 5. And they give us the sum of them was 25. Right, 25 here. 5 times 5, 25. 4 times 5 equal 20. 1 times 5 equal 5. Then A will be 5 and B will be 20. Okay, he won't find what? He won't find B, then the value of B will be equal 20. Right, 20 is a space. Choose letter D. Question number 3. 20% of a number equals base percent of half of the same number. Okay, we have here 20%, it's meaning 20 over 100. Okay, of a number product by the number x, it's equivalent to space percent, space over 100 of half of the same number, half of the same number. We won't find what? We won't find the percent here. We know 100 equivalent to 100. What is the number divided by 2 equal 20? We can write here 40. 40 divided by 2 equal 20. Then 20% of the number x equal 40% of half of the number x. So you must write in the space 40. Choose letter D about question number 3. Okay, write 40 in the space. Choose letter D. Understood? Because 20 equivalent 40 divided by 2. So you must write here 40, because 40 divided by 2, it will be 20. Question number 4. From the opposite double number line, if the price of 1 kilogram of orange is 15 Egyptian lira, then the price of 4 kilogram, you can find product 4 times 15 will be 60. Then the result will be D, because the price of 1 kilogram is 15 Egyptian lira. Then the price of 4 kilogram, 4 times 15 equals 60. Okay, you can complete this double number line here. We have here 0 kilogram and here price. He tell us 1 kilogram 15, right? 2, 3, 4. 8, 15 all the time. 15 plus 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay, then the result will be 60 Egyptian lira. Choose letter D about question number 4. Question number 5. The two bases of parallelogram is 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and the smaller height is 5 centimeters. Then the area will be what? Okay, we have two bases, smaller base and the greater base. Smaller base was 6 and the greater base was 8 centimeter. We have 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. He give us the smaller height. Smaller height perpendicular to greater base. He give us the smaller height. The smaller height, what? 5 centimeter. Okay, then the area will be greater base product by smaller height. 5 product by 8 equal 40 square centimeter. Okay, the area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. The greater base product by smaller height. Question number 6. 0.415 product by 3.5, 4.5 product by space. We have here 35 and the point after one place and two places. The result will be after three places. Then we must write the point here after two places because the point here after one place. So again we have here 45 hundredths, it's meaning 45 over 100, and here 35 over 10. We can write 45 product by 35 over what? The point here after digit, it's meaning 10. Then we must write 35 over 100. We replace 10 times 100, it will be 100 times 10. We can replace them. Then we will write 35 hundredths in the space. 35 hundredths. Choose letter C. Question number 7. Surface area of the opposite squared base pyramid equal what? Squared pyramid, we have square in the base and four triangles are congruent. We can find the area of the square in the base. Square side length was 16 centimeter. We can write 16 product by 16, and we have four triangles. Okay, four triangles. The area of each one of them, it will be half product. The base was 16, this base 16, and corresponding height was 18 and 2 tenths. 18 and 2 tenths centimeter. Okay, the area of squared pyramid will be area of the base 16 times 16 because we have square in the base, and four triangles, the area of each one half times the base times corresponding height. Then the area will be 16 times 16, it will be what? 256, and 4 divided by 2, you can write 4 here, and half of 16 equal 8. 8 times 18.2, 2 times 8 equals 16, 6 and carry up 1. 8 times 8 equals 16, 16 plus 1 equals 7. 2 times 8 equals 16, 6 and carry up 1. 8 times 8, 64. 64 plus 1, it will be 65. Write 5 and carry up 6. 1 times 8 equal 8. 8 plus 6 equal 14. Then we can write 256 plus 4 times 6 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 equal 22. Write 2 and carry up 2. 4 times 4 16. 16 plus 2 18. 8 and carry up 1. 1 times 4 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay, and then you can eat them. Write 4.2 plus 6 equal 8. 8 plus 5 equal 13. 3 and carry up 1. 6 plus 2 equal 8. Look at the area. Choose letter. We have 834 and 4 tenths. Letter P, about question number 7. Okay, next example. Answer the following. Letter A. Suppose particular crackle weight. We have the weight here 30.5 kilogram. How many grams does crackle weight? Okay, we can convert here from a kilogram to gram by product by 1000, but we must use the here conversion factor. How we use conversion factor? We have 30.5 kilogram and I want convert to gram. I want cancel kilogram, right? Kilogram down and the gram up, and we know 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram, and then we can cancel kilogram by kilogram, and 30.5 times 1000 it will be 300, right? Double zero behind this number. 30,500 gram. Okay, the result will be 30,500 gram. Question letter B. If 40% of a number is 140, find the number by using the opposite diagram. Okay. We have tab diagram divided to 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we won't find 40% of 140. Right here, 140 divided by 10, the value of each one, it will be 14. Okay, and he won't find 40%. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40%. To find the 40%, you must write 14 product by 1, 2, 3, 4, or 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14. Okay. Again, we have 40% of a number is 140. We want to find 40% of this number. 40%, it's 1 here, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, it will be 40%. We want to find 40% of a number, 40% of a number what? 140. Again, 140, the total number, divided by 10, it will be 14 here. And 40%, 14 times 4, and product 0 behind it. Okay. Again, reading questions again. He tell us 40% of a number equal 140. The 40% here will be 140. We want to find the number. Okay. Then we can write here 140 repeats to what? 140 refers to 40%. Then we can find this number by write what? To find the number, you must write 140 divided by 40%. Write the part here divided by the percent. Then you can write 140 divided by 40%, it's meaning 40 over 100. You can cancel 0 by 0 and write 140 product reciprocal here, 10 over 4. And you can simplify it. 4 divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. 140 divided by 2 equals 70. 70 times 5 equals 350. Then the number will be 350. Understood? Again, he tells us 40% of a number is 140. Then 140 here, it's the part. Write the part here, 140. Okay, and 40% here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 40% reverse to 140. You want to find the whole number. To find the whole number, you must divide the part by the percent. 140 divided by 40%. Then the number will be 350. Okay, the whole number will be 350. Or you can write this in this information, this triangle. Write the percent here, 40%, and the part up 140, and the whole number here, and divided 140 by 40%. Then the result will be 350. Next question. Find the number in the opposite ratio, comparing between kilogram and Egyptian lira. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200 divided by 4. We can find the unit rate. Divided 200 divided by 4 equal 50. The price of 1 kilogram equal 50 Egyptian lira. The price of 2 kilogram 100 Egyptian lira. 3 kilogram, 3 times 50, it will be 150 Egyptian lira. Next question. Graph the points which makes rectangle. We have the point. You want to find D. Okay, I will draw graph here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.